In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into TikTok using QR code. Okay, as usual in this channel, we don't waste time, we just dive right into the content you are looking for. Okay, open the TikTok app. Okay, after opening the TikTok app, click on your profile button. Okay, then tap on the three bars to the top, then click on the your QR code option there, then go to your browser. Okay, before going to your browser, tap on the QR code scanner at the top. Then on your laptop, you will search TikTok login, then tap on the first link. Then you will see this option for use QR code. Now you will scan that QR code using the scanner that is already open on your phone. So that is how you log into TikTok using your QR code. Thank you guys for watching. Let's meet in the next video. And if you found value in this video, please remember to like it and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Until next time, peace out.